Good day, everybody. How are y'all doing? It's Doyle and Denver. He's laying back here. Up again, we have another book for you guys. This book is called Bird Hugs. Just want you to see a little bit of that. It's so cute. So we're going to read this book today. Let's see how it goes. I wonder what it's about. So, Bird Hugs. Bernard wasn't like other birds. What do you notice about that, Bernard? They say he wasn't like other birds. When he was a baby, he didn't know he was different. Look, Orla, I'm a bat. Life was simple and fun. Ooh, look at that. Oh, let's get that out. Look how cute that is. He's a bat. Then Bernard's friends began to fly. No matter how many times he tried, it was something he couldn't seem to do himself. Oh, he's a bird. Look at him down here on the bottom. Oh, poor Bernard. Made me feel a little uncomfortable about Bernard. One by one, the other birds left in search of new places. I'll learn to fly soon, won't I? Said Bernard. Of course you will, said Orla. Orla's a nice friend. Very, very, very championing for her friend. But the next day, she was gone too. Bernard was all alone. Maybe he just needed a little help. That's right, Lauren, said Bernard. Keep pecking that rope. Oh my golly, there he is being alone after Orla left. And there he is. I wonder what he's trying to make. That is a very interesting contraption. I wonder if you guys know the name of that contraption. You guys are all STEM kids, so I know you know the name of that. And then it went snap and fling, and look, there he is. I'm flying. Oh my golly, look at him. Whee! Look at his face. Those eyebrows are up. That mouth is open. The eyes are real big. I wonder what that emotion is. Ugh. But he wasn't. Look what happened. Oh, poor Bernard. Embarrassed by his useless wings, he tried to make them smaller. Then he wondered if it might be better to pretend that they were something else, like wrap them around himself and maybe they're a scarf. Or maybe tie them up on the top of his head for a bow. What do you guys think about those? I don't know. Wings are wings, right? You gotta deal with what you're born with. It was hopeless. Bernard felt utterly sorry for himself. He found a lonely branch and made it his home. Days turned into nights and seasons changed. Different creatures came and went. Bernard barely noticed them. Then, one evening, he heard a sound. Sob. It was coming from someone even more dejected. That's a great word, dejected. Sound comfortable or uncomfortable? Yeah, you're right, uncomfortable. He was even more dejected than Bernard. I'm very sad, and I don't know why. Wailed the orangutan. Look, he's very sad. There's Bernard. There's his wings coming. He's very sad. Bernard jumped up and with his long wings gave the orangutan a big hug. Oh my gosh! That hug, the orangutan at first looks like, I don't know what's going on. Bernard's like, I'm just gonna try. Wow, a hug. With those long wings. The orangutan suddenly stopped crying and sighed. After a while, he stood up and he stretched. That made me feel a whole lot better, he said. Thank you, kind bird. Back at his branch, Bernard thought that maybe his wings were good for something after all. For the first time in a long time, he slept soundly and woke refreshed, which was just as well. ... And that means, uh-oh, something's going on. Can't wait to see. We want hugs. Look at all those animals in line for a hug. Look at Bernard's face. He's like, wow, look at all those friends. And the first friend in line is a porcupine. Oh, a porcupine. Don't know how to hug that. Bernard hugged the bear and a rabbit and a whole group of birds. He hugged a very ticklish crocodile and a very slippery frog. Even a worm wanted a hug, which you'll agree was pretty brave of that worm. Look at that. There's the bear and the bird and the bunny rabbits and the baby chicks. Look at all that. Oh my gosh. Now, every morning, without fail, there was a line. The animals told Bernard their problems. It can be kind of lonely at the top of the food chain. That's what a lion said. And then a raccoon said, it's hard to be the youngest. And he listened. And then a bat said, sleeping during the day makes me feel like I'm missing all the fun. Look at that. Great pictures in this book. Bernard didn't feel sorry for himself anymore, and all the hugging had made his wings very strong. Maybe even strong enough for ... Wait for it. What do you think? Maybe even strong enough for flying. This was me. Crash. There's more to life than flying, I suppose, said Bernard. Hello, Bernard. Play with us, Bernard. Hi. Oh, hi, Bernard. Much more to life. Hey, Bernard. Bernard, my man. Yo, Bernard. Bernard. Look at all those friends he has now. Because he took a chance on being kind. He saw someone feeling uncomfortable and decided to do something about it. Bernard discovered that helping the other animals had given him something he hadn't expected. New friends. And friends can help you do anything. Look what his friends did. Oh my gosh, he's flying. And the alligator and the zebras are down below, and the orangutan, they're all saying hi and waving to him. Oh my gosh. Look at that smile on Bernard's face. He looks really happy. So my friends, this was an amazing book. I hope you loved it. I loved reading it. It's hopefully going to go up soon. Let me know if you love it. Bye, guys. Have a great day.